We'll guide you through how to generate ChatGPT images using the most current methods and tools available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section. Here, you'll see an option for plugins or extensions, depending on the interface updates. Look for the image generation plugin or tool that's integrated within ChatGPT. This feature allows you to create visual content directly from your text inputs. Click on the image generation tool to activate it. You can then type in your prompt or description of the image you want to generate. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. The tool might offer different styles or formats, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've entered your prompt, click on the Generate button. The system will process your request and display the images based on your description. You can preview the images and, if you like them, download them directly to your computer. If the images need any adjustments, some interfaces might allow you to tweak settings like color, size, or detail level before finalizing. Remember, the key here is to experiment with different prompts and styles to see what works best for your project. This tool is constantly being updated, so keep an eye out for new features or capabilities that might enhance your creative options. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.